Welcome to my MathLand. And so as we enter what once was an infinite empty flat world, although as you can see, full of animals, we've started to fill it with mathematical objects and things to do. It's just as easy to destroy Math World as it is to build. How much fencing is needed for this 4 meter by 9 meter cow pen? That's just one object we have in our Math World. Over here is some kind of generic bar graph, because Minecraft's good at that. We just haven't put up any labels yet. Heading in this direction, past the donkey, past the pig, we see a pattern. And sure enough, the question asks, how does this pattern grow? Let's look above and see if we can figure that out. I'm sure we could build the next term if we liked, and the bar graph for it is right beside. Continuing our tour this way, there's some kind of wall. I wondered if we could get at fraction provocations or perhaps multiplication or some kind of operations. But the wall is not finished yet. Continuing here, there's something, well, it looks like some squids in an aquarium. And let's see what the signpost says. The signpost says how much water is in the aquarium. And indeed, because we know that the unit of blocks is a cubic meter, we do have enough information to answer that question. Although let's look from above, and let's not fall in with the squid. Lastly, and the most interesting mathematical objects in our math world right now, we have representations of the square function in turquoise, y equals x squared, and the cube function, y equals x cubed. And you can see the growing pattern of ever-growing squares and cubes. To me, what's most interesting right now is we have the graph, the bar graph of each. And sure enough, take a look at how much more quickly cubing grows to the fourth term than squaring. And let's go all the way up and look for some proof of that. All the way up here, and look down on our world and call it good. We don't have that much in the way of mathematics in our world yet, but we certainly could. We have an infinite empty space to build, to play, and to construct math. Seymour Papert would be happy, I think. A true math land, a place for thinking about, constructing, and doing mathematics.